remember the Irish dance? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
For the Irish dances, what is position number 1? No, that's not the position. Hands on your legs, like this, okay? So, scooch, 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 thank you. So, let's review the basic steps, okay? Because we are going to show you the dance we actually learned as a class, okay? And that a dance that you can also teach your class or invent with your class, just for fun. Okay, ready for that? Okay, here are the basic steps. Tap.
Tap. Tap.
Point up.
Point up.
Point down.
Point down.
Bend.
Bend.
Stomp.
Stomp.
Okay, let's do it faster. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. Point up. Point down. Bend. Stomp. Okay, can we do it faster? Even faster? Yes? Try that with your class too. 1, 2, 3. Tap. Point up. Point down. Bend. Stomp. Tap. Point up. Point down. Bend. Stomp. Okay. Now, invent a dance. Play along with the with some music in the background and have fun with this. Kids are gonna love it. Bye.